Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today is I don't want to say the final tutorial because it's not the final, but it is the last tutorial using the palette from the bundle. So if you guys missed my tutorials lately, I'll have the recent one linked here also at the end, but if you want to see them all, you can just check out my channel and you will see them all in there. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, so these are the bundle that came out for Thanksgiving, and these three palettes came together in one little box. So tutorial for these two were already done, so today is this one right here. And could you tell I'm very pink today and I love it. This is called Happy Turkey Day and it's just a beautiful pink packaging with the turkey head everywhere, and these are the colors. You will see them more in details in the tutorial, but this is what it looks like. I will also talk a little bit about the palette as always. Before I go ahead and jump into the tutorial, if you're new here to my channel and you just stopped by to watch my video, thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you'd like to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alrighty you guys, so the first thing I went ahead and I did is that I already went ahead and I primed my eyes, and I used my KVD Beauty Lock-It concealer in whiteout, and I put that all over. Please don't mind my skin. I've been breaking out insanely. I tried my best to hide it. I didn't want to overpack too much makeup on my face either, but I am in the process of having this treated with my skincare and everything, so please don't mind that for now. So today's tutorial, as you guys saw from the intro, this is the palette that we are using today, and this is the last palette from the bundle, and these are the colors. Obviously there's a lot of browns in here, well, this one and that one. I didn't use those in this look. I really wanted it to be different, so I definitely focused on the pink and the reds and a little bit of the highlight shades in here. So the first color I am taking, this is called Amy, and it looks like that, and this one is literally going to be dropped in the inner corners and also in the outer corners. Before that, sorry, I skipped really fast to the color because I'm that excited. So first color actually is Sleepy, and that's the color that I used first, and Sleepy is going to go in the brow bone area. This one here is literally kind of like a skin tone kind of color for me, and this is just a great color to put as a base. It does have a little bit of color. I do feel like it darkens up the brow bone area, but I don't really mind it. It's still beautiful. Now I'm gonna go back into Amy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of create like a halo look with this, and I'm just going to drop that inside outside kind of look and blend it all out. And I'm even breaking out here, like I have a pimple right here that I am breaking out, and it's so annoying. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think like I get this breakage always around the season when winter is like here, and I think just because like dry skin in general, when I really get super dry skin, I start to break out for some reason. It's really weird. So I'm just gonna start building up this color and pack it to make it darker. As you guys can see, this is a pretty nice pigmented pink color. I really like it, to be honest. It's not that bad. It's a pretty pigmentation to it that I'm quite impressed with this. It's really, really pretty. And I'm just gonna drag whatever I have left on my brush to the lower lash line. I feel what really changes this whole look is definitely the lashes. I feel like it really brings it to life and it makes it super nice. Next color is called Box. This one here, it's a nice shimmery, it looks red, but it does have a unique color to it. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of in between peach and red, like a coral. I think this is like the best color to describe this. It's more like a coral. It does have a little bit of red, like you can see the red in here a little bit, but it's not like super pigmented, and fallouts there's a lot of that with this color. So I did powder my face with that. So if you have this palette and you want to use this color, then I highly recommend that you powder under there. And this kind of color too, if you sweep it too much, it will like disappear. I don't know, like I find that a lot with Makeup Revolution, like with their eyeshadows, like the minute you sweep them, they just kind of like poof, disappear. Next color is called So Good, and I'm also mixing it with this color right here. That one is called 6 Hours, but I'm taking So Good first, and this is going to be packed in the middle of the eye. Now this is a very nice pigmented color, so I'm just literally packing it to really make it stand out and have it opaque. And I'm taking my brush again and just sweeping the top part of it to have it blended into the pink. And now I'm taking the color called 6 Hours, and I'm literally going to just pack this on the lower part of the middle lid. And then I'm taking a little bit of So Good again, and I'm dusting that into the inner corner. I used this in my previous tutorial and I loved it, and I thought that it would add such a nice finish to this look today. And this is the ColourPop gel liner. This one is called Cream Gel Color Matte in the shade Venus, and it's a nice red color. And I'm going to take this and put it into the waterline, create a nice, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. Please go away, please go away. Okay. Yay. Okay, cool. We're in business. We are in business. What happened? I don't know. Nothing happened. I didn't see anything. I didn't do anything. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this gel liner, and I'm going to pop this on to the waterline and also create my extended tear duct look, and also a little wing. You can't see it that much because of the lashes, but I did create a little wing with that. I'm also gonna take my brush and run it to the lower lash line, just to kind of lightly coat the lashes with red. Even though I'm putting black mascara on, this is completely useless, but I did that on the other eye, and I do see like a little hint of red, but not so much. Obviously in camera it's not gonna capture that at all. Let me go ahead and apply mascara and lashes, and I'm also going to add some gems on that I am using. These are literally just nail gems that I am gluing on with lash glue. I have a small gem that I put here, and I have a little bit bigger right on top. I am using their Real from Benefit, my top favorite mascara of all time. For lashes, I am using the Glamlet and Michaela, and they look like that. Look at them, like wow, I love these, and these are called Brand New. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these, and I'll be back to do the face makeup with you guys. Okay, for contour, I am using again the Makeup Revolution and Friends Contour and Highlight Palette. This is the palette right here, and I used Macchiato and Chai. So I already went ahead and lightly contoured my face while I was doing my face makeup, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of Chai and just enhancing the contour a little bit more. For blush, you guys all know by now that I like to use eyeshadows, but looking at this one here, there isn't really a nice blush color that I really like from this one. So please don't hate me, I'm using this blush from a palette of my last video, and it's this one right here, What Not to Like eyeshadow palette, and I want to grab Beige again. I feel like this one here is gonna be an obsession blush color for me. I don't know why, I just find it really pretty. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that, and I'm going to put that on my face as a blush, but also blending it into the contour like I always do. Ugh, this color is so nice as a blush. Literally, they should make it as a bigger formula, just like a blush color. Let me go ahead and set my face. I'm using my Hangover setting spray here. For highlight, I normally take Black Coffee from the highlight and contour palette, but this one actually has a nice one in here, and it's the one that I used on my eyes. It's called So Good, this one right here, and let me see how that's going to look like as highlight. Hopefully I don't. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. What? Okay, this is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna continue putting that all over then. I need someone to help me with this because I won't be able to stop. For lips, before I go ahead and do my hair and change into a nicer shirt, let me go ahead and do the lips with you guys. And today I am feeling pink. I don't know, maybe it's the eyes, but I'm literally feeling pink. So let's grab what I want to wear and I'll show you. I'm grabbing these two glosses because they're the only ones with the pink tone, and these are the Rachel gloss. I'm also using Rachel lip liner as well. So this is a full lip kit that they sell. So let's go ahead and put that on. Let's add the glosses. So I'm going to start off obviously with the dark one. Did I tell you how much I love these glosses? They are so good. They're so good. And I'm just adding the lighter color right on top. I'm going to add a little bit more blush because I feel like the gloss washes the blush out, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more of Beige on my, from the eyeshadow here. Oh, and on my nose, of course. Don't want to forget that. Let me go ahead and fix up my hair and put on something nice for you guys, and I'll be right back to finish up this tutorial with you guys. There's a big possibility that you've seen me in this shirt before, but I don't have anything that is pink to match my makeup today. I'm just feeling matchy, so I'm wearing it again. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's fun, it's pinky, definitely not for winter, but it's a nice palette to have. Very colorful, very pink. I feel like it belongs into the Valentine's Day kind of makeup. And the lashes though, don't get me started because I love them. All the products that I use in this video are going to be linked in the description box down below, like always. So if you're curious about certain things that I use on my face today, you can check out the description box, and everything is going to be linked down there. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer each and one of you guys. On that note, I need to go prepare for my last client that's coming in today to glam her up, prepare my stuff, and I love you guys. Don't forget that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!